Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about what are the top 10 highly paid Canva designs that can help you earn money online. And please note that this is going to be based on my experience and based on the previous work that I did. So if you're excited to know more about these Canva designs, please tune in and let's start the video. So number one is the social media templates. So what are you going to do is create your social media graphics in Canva. But is it going to give you a lot of money already by just creating templates? No, you have to create your offer, or you need to think about what is it to the client, or how is this going to be beneficial for them, right? So what you're going to do with your social media graphics is that you're going to create an offer out of it. So for example, you're going to create a social media management offer wherein you will have your social media graphics, you will create the caption, you will do the scheduling, which you can also do in Canva, and then you can also do the hashtag research. Okay, now that you have like 30 days of posts, now you can sell it to your prospect clients, which will help you even earn like around, I think, $700 to $1,000 already. So it's not simply graphics, but you need to make sure that it's gonna be beneficial to your client, because what we're helping them with is not just the design aspect, but the aspect that we are saving their time and that we're helping their business, right? So that's number one. So number two is one of my favorite, which is the email designs, because as a graphic designer or freelancing, it's so fun to actually collaborate with your fellow freelancer. Usually that's the best tandem, like a graphic designer and a copywriter, because a copywriter focuses on the writings and you focus on the design. So with those two skills that you have, like the copy and the design aspect, you can create a one service, and then you can just split up the charges, right? So that one thing is email design. So you can start them in Canva. You can just design them per section, and then you can upload them to any email building platform like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, and Klaviyo. So I actually did research, and there are a lot of e-commerce business now who are into email marketing, and most of their emails are actually designed, because it's not like a simple email. It has call to actions, especially in the e-commerce side. They even put products in the email where people can shop directly from that email to leading to their landing pages. So yeah, it's pretty good, and you should try emails design. So number three is PDF worksheets. So since most of my clients are business coaches, mentors, most of them do have master classes, and that requires like worksheets, like a PDF form of their courses. So what I'm going to do is actually create that for them, especially when you have courses that have bonuses, and most of the bonuses on that masterclass are in PDF format. So what I'm doing there is I am branding their PDF, which can help me earn up to $500 to $600. Next is number four is lead magnets. So one of the things that I really love doing is lead magnets, because they are pretty short. They are pretty short projects, but then these lead magnets are really important for the client. Why? Because they are using these lead magnets to their lead generation process, right? So when your lead magnet is effective, or it helps the campaign of their company or their ads, and they actually get client out of your lead magnet, it really helps your client. So they wouldn't mind to pay you premium, or maybe just one lead magnet you can already earn $500. You can charge them like that. So since this is just a one-time asset and they can use it over and over again, just do your best with that one-time asset, and it's not so hard to charge them higher, especially when you know the worth of the product. If this lead magnet would give the client incoming clients, right? Number 5 is the brand design guide. Why I said brand design guide? Because it can branding as a whole or as a strategy is too broad, but this one is specifically for brand design. So one of the things that I really love helping my clients with is helping them select their colors, what matches their brand message. I'm gonna choose all of those color palettes for them. So, or maybe if they do have like a starting brand palette, what I'm going to do is rebrand all their marketing materials. So through a brand guide, I also choose their typographies and what else? Their logo placement. I will teach them the right way to put their logos into their designs. So, you know, it will be more the thing about brand design is that if they are firm and if they are organized, it would come out as if they are a premium brand. They're not just this one company who goes out there and yes, I do have a business like that. They would come out as if all of their marketing materials from social media to their documents are being branded, and it would come out professional and premium. And that's a plus when you are especially if you are working with international companies, and especially in the US, is course mock-ups. So one of the things that my clients, especially those in the business coaching side, is that when they do have master classes, they are creating funnels, and in that funnels they want to have these mock-ups of their master class or the inclusions. So you can see that mock-ups in a laptop or those PDF mock-ups, like they will be created in one image or in one graphics, so that when they use it in their funnels, it would look good. So I also do that for the client, especially those covers of the mock-ups, and then transpiring them to actually creating a customized arrangement of mock-ups for them to make it look good to their courses. So it helps them during promotions. Number 7 is badge design. So badge designs is something that not many Canva designers are actually talking about. But when you say badge design, it's like a milestone in a company or a reward system. And some companies actually use this badge to award to their employees. And there are special projects where you can create badge designs for your clients, especially if you are in the financial industry, because most of them like have this elite, master, those badges just to acknowledge the milestone of their employees. And usually it's either they put it under their email or their company website. So yeah, if you could have these special badge projects, this is a sign because I just talked about it now, and actually you can price even higher, because mine, I just priced it to 100 and I only did 3, so that's already $300 on my pocket. So yeah. Number 8 is carousel templates. So the good thing about carousel templates is that you can actually create something unique to make it engaging. So the reason why a lot of people will pay higher for these types of design is because it's not as simple as graphics that you want to put together. it has like a concept and a storyboard, so that when someone swipes the slides, it would make sense and it would have that smooth flow, especially the backgrounds, like some parts of the graphics are on the next slides. So it's kind of challenging to edit, but it does cost higher than a simple graphic designs or simple social media graphics. So yeah, you could try it. Number 9 is flyers. So when I got into the digital space, most of the graphics that I created are used for digital viewing, or mostly they're being used online. But I also had the opportunity to work with creating flyers because let's face it, like even if we are already in this digital age where everything is just online, we can still have traditional business who uses flyers, and flyers can pretty help you because one, it's easy to create in Canva, and number 2, you can price it high. Like in just a one-page flyer can cost $70. And like imagine if the order is 5 flyers, and you can just do that in less than 5 hours, or maybe less. Even if you're fast in creating, you can like create that in 2 hours. Like, so it's like creating I like these opportunities because they're one-time project, but if the clients really likes your job, they could still get you on the next project. Or another thing is that there are companies who are in the print and demand business, so you can also apply to those companies and just charge a retainer program, wherein they could charge you as an in-house graphic designer. So those are opportunities that you can actually create by just doing Canva designs. And me, myself, and I have been using just Canva for my projects, and having no knowledge about Photoshop didn't stop me, and I hope that you can do it too. So yeah. Number 10 is teach for free, just like what I'm currently doing right now. I actually created a page wherein I teach Canva there, and also I post my videos to my YouTube channel. And why am I doing this? Because anything that can help your visibility, can help your journey and your graphic designing career here as a freelancer, because it's not all about getting paid high, but also about giving value to other people. It's all about being the expert by positioning as yourself as an expert on your field. And if you're teaching, and if you're currently doing all these designs and you're actually getting results, and the people or your clients like what you're doing, you're actually like positioning yourself as the expert, and that also helps you get paid. So that's it for today, and I hope that you find this video helpful, because I really put together all the things based on my experience. And just, if you could skip the step of wondering what to do, or wondering what Canva design should you create, I hope this video helps. Sometimes it's not as simple as create templates. It's not as easy as that. So I hope this has been detailed, and please expect more videos about how to make money online, or how to make money using Canva designs, because that is what I'm currently doing in life. So I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe if you find this helpful, and if you're looking forward for the next video, please comment down below the topics that you want me to talk about here on my channel, and please ring the notification bell if you think you're excited for the next video. So thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.